candles and I will show you which ones I got. Guys, those are the candles. This is the one that Richard got. Was it this one?
Yes.
Falling Leaves. I got Sparkling Mimosa, Golden, Cypress, and Suede. Okay, so it is storming here in Vegas today. It's super overcasted, super cloudy. I love it. I'm here for it. I love how the temperature has gone down and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna watch Bird on a Wire with Mel Gibson and Goldie Hawn. So let's go.
And that's just the first fee on our list. Because if you thought resort fees were bad, wait until you see the everyday basics that Vegas is now charging for. Fees that make even loyal gamblers question if Sin City is worth it anymore. Number 8, parking fees, paying to leave your money behind. For decades, Las Vegas casinos lured you in with one simple promise: free parking. The logic was brilliant. Why charge people to leave their car when the real money was inside, waiting to be spent on slots, tables, and overpriced drinks? But in 2016, that tradition collapsed.
You guys, we're just watching this YouTuber, State Radar. Says nobody wants to visit Las Vegas anymore. 9 shocking fees tourist. We totally agree with them. We think that Vegas was or is trying to just cater to the wealthy and not really caring about the locals. And then just being so like shady with fees on top of fees, and then you have to pay tax. And it's just like, it's so stupid. I honestly, like when we moved here in 2019, I feel like we kind of caught the end of what made Vegas the best place to come and just, you know, have fun. And now 2025, it's definitely not the way that it used to be. It's not dead, but it's definitely not catering to locals either. It's just people are just being more careful with where they spend their money. And clearly, fees. I mean, we see it in apartments all the time. You know, you see a fee or you see the base, and then it's like, oh, but $300 on top. And I'm so happy that the new law has to, like, it has to be on the website. So I don't know. It's just super annoying.
Led the charge, announcing that parking, yes, the privilege of leaving your car in a 10-story garage in the middle of the desert, would now cost you $15 to $25 per day, depending on the property.
Wow.
Caesar.
They're making popcorn buckets.
Oh, look at all
The Demogorgon.
This is cool.
That's $19.87.
Affordable. Look at these little
These
candles.
sound pretty cool. Oh,
They're $20 candles, but
20.
actually smells pretty good.
Yeah, but
I don't know for $20.
Not
I
for
think
20.
you're just paying. This is a sticker.
yeah,
on
you know. Look at this. There's a lot of them because this is gonna be the last one, no?
Yeah.
The little Demogorgons. Oh. Hey, look, that one's cool. Oh.
This is actually pretty cool.
Hey guys, if you do have fiberglass like I do, most apartments do, I can't stand cleaning this bathtub and I use everything and still nothing works. But I went on TikTok and I was like, what can I use to clean fiberglass? And this kept coming up. And I got it at the dollar store, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but I know some products at the dollar store do work and some don't, so I'm just gonna give it a try and show you guys. Okay, turn it on. Here we go. We'll just go ahead. And it's always in the corner that the water just sits there. And I can't stand it. So we'll see. Alright guys, it says that it works in 1 minute. No scrubbing required for bathroom and outdoor use. But no, I'm gonna use a brush because I'm gonna scrub. But so far it looks alright. I mean, that little corner was much yellower when I started, so yeah, we're gonna clean this. Yeah, kind of. Not to like the full potential, but
Definitely not the way they were showing on TikTok, but
Yeah. That's not bad. It still has that, like that little thing, but most of it is pretty good. I did the walls as well. I think it actually works, you guys, just not the way that TikTok made it seem like it was, but it actually works. It takes a lot of the gunk that's in the bathtub, but yeah, it's not bad. It definitely does have that very chemical smell, so just heads up. Guys, so this is as good as we could get it to be as clean as possible. Honestly, I do think that the water in Vegas is super harsh, and you can tell because we have that on our shower head. I did have a fabric softener shower head. It broke, unfortunately, so we had to get this one, and look at that. Awful. So yeah, the one that the apartments come with, it barely comes out, so we had to get this one from Walmart. It was like $10, and it comes out pretty like harsh, which we like, but it just, look at that. That is how harsh the Vegas water is here. So it just, yeah, this is as good as it's gonna come out, you guys. But did it work? I think so. I think it did what it was supposed to do, but I don't know. I'm still on the lookout for a very good fiberglass cleaner. So, but for now, I'm happy. Well, today is interesting. Today is so freaking windy. I feel like I'm about to see Dorothy's house come down. Like, that's how windy it is, okay? Like, it is extremely windy. I have a clip on my hair every time I get out of the car because I'm like, it's just gonna go like straight on my face. But I just came back from seeing a townhome apartment. It's called Suncrest. And then another one, which I'm super excited about because I'm going to collaborate with them, is the North Park Living Apartments. And it's so freaking nice, you guys. Like, the apartment itself, it's like a year old, but it's in North Las Vegas, like that side, and it's so nice. I'm heading home, so yeah, let's go. All right. I missed you. You know that? Did you like your little carrots? Look how pretty you are. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You guys, he loves his Pluto. He lays on it all the time. Your little buddy. Your little buddy. You're so cute, my babies. I love you so much. You've been with us for 10 years. Can you believe that? 10 years? Isn't that crazy? So he doesn't like it when you pat him on the head. He's like, leave me alone. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, you guys, look what I have on. I have a long sleeve. What? Time's changing? They are. It is currently 64 Fahrenheit outside. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. If it wasn't for the wind, I don't like the wind. But I just finished a property here by, I swear I've been saying it so wrong, but It's Paramount by Pearson. I've been saying Pearson. Jeez. My accent and how I read things clearly did not take really good. But yeah, I am ready to go home and edit these videos. I have a few videos. I have one apartment video, then I have a vlog, then I have this apartment video. I've just not been able to do it because Ozzy got sick last week, and so it's just been hectic. But yeah, let's go home, let's edit this vlog and then this apartment video. But I will see you guys when I get home.